Down here on Delancey Street in Philadelphia, we're partnering with Peony Carpentry, and we've got these 4-foot by 9-foot tiles we have to move up to the second floor. Unfortunately, the stairwell is just too tight to get them up there, so we had to erect some scaffolding with a winch up top, and we're going to bring them up and in through a window. So that's the job for today. We've got Wissahickon Moving Company coming out to help us out, and yeah, let's get it done. Here we have the A-frames that we built to carry the tiles once they're up here, so we can stage them in the order they need to be in.